guys, welcome back. Today we're doing a very easy earring tutorial. You guys are gonna love it. We are working with 26 gauge wire, so it's very easy on the fingers. Anybody can do this pair of earrings and they are super cute. Also, we're gonna be digging into one of the bargain bead boxes. I can't remember exactly which one it is, but I do mention it in the video. So pull out some of your beads and let's get to doing these earrings. Okay, to do these earrings, you're going to need your 18mm pink crackle agate teardrop pendants. These are from the Summer Sunrise collection. 2 pieces of 26 gauge wire. This is 16 inches in length, both of them. And I just basically matched up the 2 colors. So this is brass colored wire. A set of ear wires, jump rings, and I would suggest 3 to 4 millimeters. And a ring mandrel. I'm going to use a pair of flat nose pliers. Alright, to make these super cute earrings, I'm going to take my mandrel and this 1 piece of wire, and on the number 2, I'm going to put that wire and leave about 1.5 inches on the one side. Sticking out this side, hold with my thumb on the number 2, and the rest of it is here. And I'm going to start rolling the wire, keeping it at number 2. And as you go around, make sure you grab your next piece with your thumb because you want to keep it in place. Don't worry if it crinkles up a little bit, that's not a big deal. This is a very organic pair of earrings. Okay, keeping it on the number 2. Okay, and you're just going to keep going around there, trying your best to keep it on the number 2. Keep going. And I'm going to stop about there because I want a little bit of wire to work with. Now you're going to find one piece is a little bit longer than the other. What I do to fix that, because I want both those wires to be approximately the same size, is I just twist a little bit around, pressing the longer one down and the other side up, just to give you a little more evenness on both ends of the wire. So like that. I'm going to take that off gently. Now with your fingers, you got to hold this really tight. So this one here, because it's already going to the back, this end piece, I'm going to bring it back and around to the front. I'm going to do that 3 times. Now, at this point, it's just easier for me to grab my pliers, pull it around. And you do this until you have 3 loops. Now, if you want more loops, you can have as many loops as you want. I just prefer 3. I'm going to press those together. I'm going to do this one more time like so. So there we go. Now I have 3 loops. Okay, then I'm going to take this piece of wire. I'm going to go around the back. I'm going to take it around the back. I'm going to pull it through with my pliers so it sits about there. And again, I want to add 3. Now I can decide, because I've got a little bit of extra wire, I can decide to add more if I want to. And there is the 3. So there's 3 on one side and 3 on the other side. Now I'm just going to play with this wire a little bit, back on my mandrel, because you want it to be pretty round. Playing with wire like this sometimes will knock it out of shape, which is fine. There. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this piece of wire down like that. I'm going to bring it down the back and I'm going to trim it. I'm going to do the same thing with this one. And then with my pliers, I am going to press that down. And if you want to, if you find messing with those wires again kind of mixed everything up, just put your piece back on your mandrel, squish it, just press it on the mandrel gently, which it'll bring it right back into shape. Just going to take my jump ring. I'm going to open up the jump ring. Put my little pink crackle agate pendant on there. Add your rings that you just made with your mandrel and close up that jump ring. Now I'm going to take my other jump ring and I'm going to put it here. Close that up. Then add one more jump ring. My ear wire, and I'm going to add the ear wire to the last jump ring that I put on there. I want to make sure that I have it sitting to the front. And there we go. Very simple, easy little earring. It looks so cute. Okay, we are going to do the other one. right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please, if you don't mind, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I hope I see you back here for the next one. Have a good one. Bye.